do a tight shot on the bag. Okay, today we have a small haul from Shopko. And Shopko, my life, my style, my store. Kind of a place that I like to go when I go back home to my roots in Wisconsin. So I started off by buying this Wisconsin hoodie, Badger hoodie. You can see it was a really good deal. It was $35. I got it for $12.99. Fits really well. It's audio ready. Good purchase. Great buy. Then we got 2 Snuggies for dogs. We had a pink one and a blue one. And they were also a very good deal. You can see they were $12.99, now $3.24. And I especially liked that the model in the inset looks like my dog Mindy. And finally, the final purchase in the Shopko haul, mini haul, I'd call this a mini haul, was a onesie for a baby girl. My girlfriend's having a baby. Shout out to Danielle. You can see it was very good deal. It was $3.19 from $7.99, and it also came with some cute little booties. So Danielle, I was thinking of you, but I was also being a savvy shopper. And that was the haul from Shopko. Early August, my life, my style, my store. Shopko. Mwah.